I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're facing locked funds in your Robinhood account, follow these steps to recover them. Step 1. Check account status. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eShrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Review transaction history. Go to your transaction history to identify any recent trades or deposits that may have caused the lock. Look for any pending transactions that need attention. Step 3. Contact customer support. If you can't determine the cause, reach out to Robinhood's customer support through the app or website. Be ready to provide details about your account and the issue. Step 4. Verify your identity. You may need to verify your identity to unlock your funds. Follow the prompts to submit any required documents, such as a government ID or proof of address. Note: make sure your ID is clear and legible. Blurry images can delay the process. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your verification, wait for a confirmation email or notification from Robinhood. This can take a few days, so be patient. I hope these steps help you get your funds back quickly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.